Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're actually laying some pavers. It's been a while since we laid some pavers. We're all excited. Morning, Rob.
Morning.
What's up? What's up, young buck? Got some more gravel. We got some quarter chip. We're excited. We haven't laid pavers in over a month. I guess I gotta pull up, eh?
I was gonna say,
All right. Just about the height. I got this string line here that represents the final height, and I'm looking to be about 4 inches below that string line right now. That gives us room for a quarter chip and then or paver. We did a really nice excavation here. We got easily 8 inches of 3/4 clear throughout. So this patio is going to do really well for a long, long time. On this side as well, we'll have probably, I would say probably around 8 inches as well underneath our turf. So this side here patio, this side artificial turf, and then we got a fire pit going in here somewhere. So what I'm going to do is we're actually going to lay the patio first. It's just easier to grade it all out and then install the fire pit tomorrow. Helps me line it up nicely with the patio, and it's just easier. Okay guys, looking good, looking good. I do like. It's coming along. It's coming along, come along, come along, come along, come along, come along.
I can bring one more thing and get coffee.
Oh, okay, Rob. You know what, Rob? Why don't you get some coffees after? You don't tell me you want to get coffees. What? Here, let me show you guys something. So these border pieces, for some reason, they're ever so slightly smaller that when you get to the end, you can see the little mismatch here in the gap. You can see how it doesn't quite line up. And we're talking like a 1/16, but you know, over 8-10 pieces. Now 1/16 is a 1/4 inch. So we always have to space these just a little bit to make it look right. A little bit annoying. Could be a little bit better quality control from Oaks, but Oaks does make a nice product. I can't complain. How are we looking for stone?
4 and 5 layers.
Oh, that's lots.
Oh, you gotta move that one.
It's looking good. You got 5 and yeah. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. We're using I was going to show the tag.
I'm using this,
You ripped it off, Rob.
which is Greystone Gray.
So this is a Oaks Nueva 60 marble gray. And this is a Oaks Nueva 60 Onyx 8x16 border. And for the fire pit, we're using a molding wall in a marble gray. And we're gonna do a nice little black border around it. It's gonna look sharp. No wonder you guys are so slow. Just one guy working out here, eh? I see what's going on. Right, Quinn?
There was confusion for a moment.
Uh-oh. Must be after break. Quinn's getting serious. That's where you stop smiling and it's just all go landscaping.
All business for here.
All business. Rob's never business.
I'm all good.
All pleasure. All right, we got the position of the fire pit. Client came out, approved it. It's all laid out. Check out the nice patio, guys. Looking good. Looking good.